Welcome back. Today we are going to understand what is scientific method and what are basic postulates of scientific methods. Methods are the means by which goals are achieved. Scientific method, as we know, science refers to the body of a systematic and organized knowledge which makes use of scientific method to acquire knowledge in particular field or the area of research. Scientific method is the systematic collection of data or facts and their theoretical treatment through proper observation, experimentation and interpretation. Scientific method attempts to achieve a systematic interrelation of facts by experimentation, by observation and logical arguments from accepted postulates, and a combination of these three in varying proportion. Some research may or may not require experimentation. Some research is only based on observation also. The scientific method is a process for experimentation that is used to explore observations and answer questions. Does this mean all scientists follow exactly this process? No. Some area of science can be more easily tested than others. The first step, ask question. The scientific method starts when you ask a question about something that you observe, how, what, when, who, which, why, or where. For a science fair project, some teachers require that the question be something you can measure, preferably with a number. Second step, do background research. Rather than starting from scratch in putting together a plan for answering your question, you want to be a savvy scientist using library and internet research to help you find the best way to do things and ensure that you don't repeat mistakes from the past. Construct a hypothesis. A hypothesis is an educated guess about how things work. It is an attempt to answer your question with an explanation that can be tested. A good hypothesis allows you to then make a prediction. If I do this, then this will happen. State both your hypothesis and the resulting prediction you will be testing. Prediction must be easy to measure. Next step, test your hypothesis by doing an experiment. Your experiment test whether your prediction is accurate and thus your hypothesis is supported or not. It is important for your experiment to be a fair test. You conduct a fair test by making sure that you change only one factor at a time, while keeping all other conditions the same. You should also repeat your experiment several times to make sure that the first result were not just an incident. Analyze your data and draw your conclusion. Once your experiment is complete, you collect your measurements and analyze them to see if they support your hypothesis or not. Scientists often find that their prediction were not accurate and their hypothesis was not supported. And in such cases, they will communicate the results of their experiment and then go back and construct a new hypothesis and prediction based on the information they learned during their experiment. This starts much of the process of the scientific method over again. Even if they find that their hypothesis was supported, they may want to test it again in new way. Communicate your results. To complete your research, you will communicate your results to others in final report or a display board. Professional scientists do almost exactly the same thing by publishing their final report in scientific journal or by presenting their results on a poster or during a talk at a scientific meeting. In a science fair, judges are interested in your finding regardless of whether or not they support your original hypothesis. Basic postulate in scientific methods are it relies on empirical evidence. It means your scientific method should be based on the empirical evidence, means it should be based on the experimental results. It utilizes relevant concept. It should be based on the relevant concept of the research or the study. It is committed to only objective considerations. The scientific method should be focused towards the objective of the study. It presupposes ethical neutrality. The method should be ethically and neutral. It results into probabilistic prediction. The results should be based on the probabilistic prediction. The methodology is made known. Whatever methodology you are going to use, it should be unknown. Aims at formulating scientific theory. The core objective of the scientific methods to be formulating a scientific theory at the end of the study. Thanks.